Civil asset forfeiture is a horrific violation of many of the basic things we take for granted in America. Keep in mind, the police can come, they can seize your property, your money, your car, your house. They don't have to convict you of anything. They don't have to charge you with anything. They don't have to prove anything. They just take it. At that point, you can file a petition, you can hire a lawyer, you can gather evidence, and you can file a petition that you're an innocent owner or one of the defenses that allows you to get your property back. Many people can't do that. If you're of limited means and they take the $1,500 car from you, you can't hire a lawyer. It'll cost you $10,000 to get that back. You're never going to be able to do that. So they take your stuff, and then what's really interesting is that the people who decide whether your stuff is forfeited, the district attorneys, actually get to keep the money. Which is, think about that. Imagine if I were a judge and you were in my courtroom and I said, you have committed this infraction, I am fining you $1,000, make the check out to Daylin Leach. You'd be like, wait a minute. To you? One of the basic tenets is that the people who make decisions in government don't personally benefit from those decisions. There are some district attorney's offices in Pennsylvania, 25% of their budget is money they seized from citizens. So they have a great incentive to seize people's money knowing they can't fight to get it back. And knowing they don't have to prove anything. And I'll tell you one story which should chill everybody. We were having a hearing in my committee, the Judiciary Committee, on civil asset forfeiture, and there's some DAs there to testify in favor of it. And one of them said something that just blew my mind. They said, sometimes we don't have the evidence to convict someone of a crime. This is a way we can punish someone where we don't have the evidence to convict them. If you care about America at all, that's got to scare you. And so we've got to either eliminate civil asset forfeiture, or at the very least make people prove something before they can take your stuff, and have the money go to some fund that has nothing to do with the district attorney's office, so they don't have a conflict of interest. So those are the reforms I'm fighting for. It's a perfectly legitimate, intelligent thing.